You have an Azure subscription that contains the resources shown in the following table. The table shows three columns: resource name, type, and location. Row 1, VM1, virtual machine, West US. Row 2, VM2, virtual machine, East US. Row 3, VNet1, virtual network, West US. You need to create a network interface for VM1. Which location should you use for the network interface? Option A, East US. Option B, North Europe. Option C, West US. Option D, West Europe. The correct answer is option C, West US. Why is this the answer? Well, to answer this question, we need to understand the basic functionality of network interfaces. Network interfaces are required for all virtual machines and must be in the same resource group and location as the virtual machine. In this case, our virtual machine is VM1, and VM1 is in the West US region. Therefore, the network interface must also be in the West US region. Sometimes students get confused about this. They think that the network interface must also be in the same resource group. But resource groups are not regional. They can span all regions.
Let us consider the underlying concept here. When working with cloud resources in Azure, physical and logical proximity matters significantly for resource attachments. Certain components must be deployed together in the exact same region to establish a functional relationship. Understanding how resource locations dictate availability and connectivity is fundamental for proper architecture design.
I believe the correct answer is option C, West US. In Microsoft Azure, a virtual machine and its associated network interface must be deployed within the same geographic region. Since VM1 is located in the West US region, any network interface intended to be attached to VM1 must also be created in the West US location. Creating the network interface in a different region would prevent it from being associated with the virtual machine. Therefore, options A, B, and D are incorrect because they represent different Azure regions than the one where the virtual machine is hosted.